Hi guys, this is the weather today. It's windy and snowing, so it's gonna be like that I think the whole day. It's very windy and snow is coming down. It just started only too windy, and this is the second time that we have snow actually this, and the first time in this year. See, it's not noticeable, but there's a lot of snow. Wanted to go to Delaware today, but I didn't because it's too windy and snow is coming down. Actually, it's not okay. I mean, it's okay to go, but then it's dangerous to go. It is coming down on those snow. Yeah, as you can see, it's coming down now. But I hope it's not gonna be too bad. A little bit of snow is okay for me. And then I have to go to New Jersey early in the morning tomorrow for the auction. I'm working on the auction, and that's gonna be the whole day. So I have to drive early in the morning, 6 o'clock, and I hope the snow is done by that time and not too bad. Yeah, this is the weather for today. It's still windy. So I just went to go get gas. I hope I hope I want to go to Delaware, but because it's just started now, and I'm worried about it, that the snow is gonna be too bad. So I just turned around. I just went to get gas for tomorrow. So I'm gonna be driving to New Jersey tomorrow. That's why I need to get gas anyway. So yeah, that's it. That's yeah. So I'm home now, and actually it's not too bad. Not really snowing, just a little bit.